Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset Subaru Forester tire pressure light. Start by parking on level ground and turning the ignition to on without starting the engine. Check each tire with a gauge and inflate to the manufacturer's recommended PSI found on the driver door jamb. Replace the valve caps and close all doors. Finally, drive at a steady speed for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the TPMS to relearn. Begin by checking PSI while the tires are cold for the most accurate readings. Remove each valve cap and press the tire gauge firmly to get a stable number. Inflate any tire below the placard PSI until it matches the recommendation, then recheck. Replace the valve caps and repeat for all 4 tires. If the spare is a full-size tire, confirm its PSI too before proceeding to the reset step. With tires properly inflated, perform the TPMS reset procedure while staying calm and methodical. Find the reset button under the dash or use the vehicle menu to start the relearn process, following prompts until the dash indicates reset started. Close all doors and drive at a steady speed for about 10 to 15 minutes so the system can relearn each sensor. If the light persists, recheck sensor batteries or consult a dealer for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.